What's up, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and say it. We're on one of the most beautiful trails ever right now. DH Uomini, or DH Men, and check out this view. Today's video is gonna be sick, gnarly, super loose, gravel, steep. It's intense. Let's go hit the trail and have some fun. So I'm editing this video right now, and I can't stress enough, this is easily top 3 on my most beautiful trails I've ever ridden. We're here in Finale Ligure, Italy. The day started off with some spectacular croissants on the beach, and then we shuttled up to the top of DH Men. Will, the rider that's in front of me now, had seen this trail online and he knew he had to hit it. If you're unfamiliar, it's one of the most famous trails from Finale, especially when they're racing EWS here, the Enduro World Series, and it's an iconic photo spot that every single photographer and rider dreams of having a photo at. We watched the video and we could tell it was probably going to be pretty intense, but what we totally underestimated was the gravel. It's not the steepest trail or the most technical trail. It's like somebody took 30 trucks of gravel and just dumped it onto the side of the hillside. So you're just riding through 3-4 inches of gravel the entire way down from the very top to the bottom. It's super loose, no confidence whatsoever in the traction and the grip that we have with our tires. Man, I'm gonna stop talking now, let you guys enjoy. Really pay attention to the sound. You can hear all of that gravel that we're just riding through as we make our way down here. One of the coolest things about this trail is as we're making our way down, it just gets more and more beautiful as we approach the sea. Dude, this trail is ridiculous.
In the moment while we were riding down this trail, I could certainly see that it was spectacular and unique and the views were incredible. However, I was so focused on the trail directly in front of me that I didn't necessarily take all that into account. Now, editing the footage, I can clearly see, oh my gosh, just look at it. You can see for yourself. What a trail. Just watching the footage makes me want to go back and ride it again. Even though the majority of the time we were going down it, we were all super uncomfortable and basically felt like we were just trying to keep our 2 wheels up and keep ourselves off the ground as we were slipping and sliding all over the place.
This is so much fun. Yeah, oh, Jesus. Oh, dude, it's a gravel pit. Oh my God.
The GoPro footage, as always, doesn't really do it justice. This time, it's not the difficulty of the trail per se, but really just the trail surface.
Okay. All gas, no brakes.
As we approach the bottom, it's going to take us all the way down into town and then even out to the sea, where we're able to ride out onto a pier and look back behind us and get the most incredible view of the coastline, as well as the top of DH Men, where we had originally started from. Not too many trails that you have the ability to do that on, especially considering there's usually forest and trees and all sorts of other objects that'll be in the way, blocking the view. But this is a wide open, expansive geographic area, and it's beautiful. I can't stress that enough. I know I've said it a million times, but I think by now you've realized the footage speaks for itself. We had such an amazing time this weekend while we were riding in Finale. Hopefully you saw some of the Instagram stories that I was posting throughout the weekend. I'm so happy that Italy is finally yellow again and that we're able to travel. Much needed, and so many of us missed it so much. Out. Yeah. Yeah, dude. We survived. Absolute insanity. Wow. Oh, man. Dude.
The Enduro gang becometh DH Men. Look out.
DH Men. As mentioned, the trail leads us directly into town, so we're strolling through this nice Italian seaside area, and we're going to get ourselves some gelato. We're heading down to the pier, and we're going to take in the incredible coastline that's on offer here in Finale Ligure. €100 if you just ride right off the end of the pier. Nico even mentioned that he's gonna dive straight into the water. He's getting it. Yeah.
Hope that trail did not disappoint for you guys. Finale certainly never disappoints for me. Just look at this place. It's absolutely beautiful. We're wrapping things up here. Nico just ran and took a dip into the sea. Awesome time. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tell me where to ride next. Real MVP of the day. Shout out to our boy, Jordan, shuttling us up to the top so we didn't have to climb. Could not have done it without that guy.